taking space by storm.
Today, on the 7th anniversary of the New Horizons space probe Flyby of Pluto, we're going to revisit the historic mission and the amazing first photos of this former planet. On July 14th, 2015, after a voyage of nearly 10 years and having traveled more than 3 billion miles, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew within 7,800 miles of Pluto. It recorded over 6 gigabytes of information and expanded our knowledge of the largest of the Kuiper Belt objects. However, let's go back to how it all started. On January 19, 2006, the New Horizons spacecraft was launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station by an Atlas V rocket directly into an Earth and solar escape trajectory with a speed of about 36,400 miles per hour. It was the fastest man-made object ever launched from Earth. As a side note, when the New Horizons was launched in 2006, Pluto was still classified as the 9th planet in our solar system. However, in August of 2006, the International Astronomical Union reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. New Horizons spent most of its 10-year trip in hibernation mode, only waking up for course corrections and periodic system updates. As fast as New Horizons was going after launch, it still needed to go faster to intersect with Pluto. So on February 28, 2007, New Horizons received a gravity assist from Jupiter, increasing its speed to 51,000 miles per hour. Distant encounter operations of the Pluto system began on January 4, 2015. However, it was not all smooth sailing. On July 4, 2015, New Horizons experienced a software glitch and went into safe mode 10 days before the planned Pluto flyby. This glitch prevented the spacecraft from performing scientific observations, and the piano-sized probe went dark for over an hour. The team determined the issue was a timing flaw in the command sequence, and on July 5th, NASA announced that the problem had been corrected. Normally scheduled science operations resumed on July 7th. New Horizons performed its closest approach of Pluto on July 14, 2015, at a distance of 7,750 miles above the surface. However, the New Horizons team had to wait through 22 hours of planned radio silence before they could learn if their spacecraft had survived the encounter and had recorded its observations. Telemetry data confirming successful flyby and a healthy spacecraft was received on Earth from New Horizons at 8:52 p.m. Eastern Time on July 14, 2015.
Okay. PI, Mom on Pluto 1. We have a healthy spacecraft. We've recorded data of the Pluto system, and we're outbound for Pluto.
To perform the required scientific observations, New Horizons had to be pointed at the Pluto system, and it wasn't until it was safely past it could it again turn itself towards Earth to relay its data. New Horizons recorded over 6.25 gigabytes of information. High-value images trickled down the first few days after the flyby, but the download of the complete data took over 15 months. Analysis of all that data continues as of today, with new scientific papers still being released. However, the mission was not over for New Horizons. On August 28, 2015, a new target was chosen for the spacecraft to fly by. Kuiper Belt Object 2014 MU-69, nicknamed Ultima Thule, was selected. Later, this object was renamed to Arrokoth, a Native American term meaning sky. New Horizons completed the necessary course adjustments with a series of 4 engine firings to achieve the flyby on January 1, 2019. There it discovered Arrokoth was actually composed of 2 distinct lobes that had merged into one object. After the flyby, team leader Alan Stern advised the spacecraft's instruments would continue to have sufficient power to be operational until the 2030s. He advised there was potential for a third flyby in the 2020s at the outer edges of the Kuiper Belt. Since May of 2020, the New Horizons team has been using the Subaru telescope to look for suitable Kuiper Belt candidates within the spacecraft's proximity. However, as of today, none have been found close enough to the trajectory of New Horizons for it to be able to make a close flyby with its remaining fuel. But the team isn't giving up. They have started to apply machine learning techniques to hunt for Kuiper Belt objects, with the early results yielding dozens of new potential objects from each dataset. In April of 2021, New Horizons reached 50 astronomical units from the Sun, a distance achieved by just 4 other operational probes in the history of spaceflight. And while the team hunts for a possible third target, New Horizons will keep the investigators busy by gathering data about Uranus and Neptune, as well as studying its Kuiper Belt environment and beyond. That's all for this video, friends. See you next time, and remember, take space by storm.